What do you do when you find yourself face to face with adversity? Friends, life is a way of beating people down, but giving up should never be an option. Maybe this year has been difficult for you. Maybe you are going through a rough time right now. Do you throw in the towel and quit? No, quitters don't win. A long time ago, there was a rich man who lived in a small rural village. In addition to having great wealth, he had a very beautiful family. But one day, everything he had and owned was taken away. Fire broke out while his children were hosting a birthday party and killed everyone that was in attendance, including his children. As if that was not enough, the rich man got very ill soon after. His friends believed that karma was the reason for the rich man's troubles, so they advised him to give up, curse his God, and die. Even his wife encouraged him to do the same, but the rich man ignored their advice. Mark Twain said, "Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to pause and reflect." I want to believe that the rich man didn't accumulate his wealth by listening to mainstream advice. So he did what he had always done: ignore the outside noise and follow the narrow path less traveled. In most cases, when you persevere long enough, things tend to get better. In whatever situation you find yourself in, you have to believe that things will get better. Even in the middle of the storm, see yourself on the other side victorious. You will be surprised to see the pendulum swing in your favor. Here is one thing you must do when facing adversity: stay away from negative people and naysayers. Their negative talk will suck your energy and blind you from what's possible. They magnify the small challenges into insurmountable problems and turn your faith into fear. So separate yourself from energy drainers. Tune them out. Here is the thing: you are bigger than the situation you find yourself in. You are unbreakable unless you allow the situation or someone else to break you. You have what it takes to overcome any challenge. There is greatness in you. No one wins by giving up. The reward is for those who endure and press on. The old man's story has a happy ending. His health and wealth was restored, and he had more children even at old age. Difficult times are never an invitation to wave the white flag. We are no quitters here. I don't know what's going on in your life right now. I don't know what you have been through or the battles that you are facing. Maybe you are going through a difficult time and on the verge of giving up. Maybe you are asking yourself difficult questions right now or having second thoughts. Whatever is going on in your life right now, no matter the situation, hang in there. Don't quit. Don't quit now. Don't quit tomorrow. Things will get better. Don't give up, my friend. Joy comes in the morning. Your breakthrough is closer than you think or realize. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.